Hey, what's up, everybody? George here from Scott Studio. Thanks for joining me here on YouTube. Today we are doing a tutorial on the traditional hymn, I Need Thee, with the chorus of Yes. So stay tuned.
Scott Studio.
All right, welcome back, everyone. We're going to be doing this tutorial in the key of A flat. And on my Yamaha Mode 8 keyboard, I'm using the draw organ sound to give it the essence of the traditional churchy feel. All right. So we're going to be starting with an A flat chord in the second inversion, E, A flat, and C, with the C on the top because that is the melody note with I need. So we're going to be there. All right, so you're going to have I need the O, switches to a D flat chord, F, A flat, D flat, keep the A flat in the bass. Okay? When we get to the I need thee, you're going to be going to this diminished chord. So you have D, F, A flat, C, D in the bass. I need thee. All right, so you're going to have D flat, E flat, G, B flat, E flat in the bass. Okay? So let me put that first part together. You got I need thee, O, I need thee. Okay? Now, if you want to lick that I need thee after this chord, you could do this I need thee, where you put that A flat chord in as a passing chord. Okay? All right. Now, let's go to every hour. From here, we got another passing chord that's going to go in, and it's going to be another diminished. So you got C, E flat, A, C, which is an A diminished. Okay? And that's going to lead to a B flat minor. So B flat, D flat, F, B flat. So you're going to have, and then this is every hour. Back to your same A flat chord with the E flat in the bass. Same E flat 7. I need thee. Okay? So let's put the whole first part together so you can see it in continuity. So you're going to have I need the O, D diminished, I, A flat chord over E flat, need thee. A diminished chord to B flat minor, every hour, going to E flat 7, I need thee. Okay? All right, now let's go to bless. And what we're going to do is go to a C in the bass and put a G flat in the right hand. Okay? So this is your passing chord. So this is where you were. This is where you're going to go to. And it's going to resolve to a D flat 7. Bless me now. So you're going to be here. And you're just going to go to a diminished. So you got B, D, F, A flat. So you're at bless me now. My, going to be A flat over E flat again. Save. We're going to put another diminish in. E diminished. E, G flat. I'm sorry, E, G, B flat. E in the bass. to an F minor. C, F, A flat. All right, let's go back and do that section again. That's bless me now, my Savior. Starts with a D flat 7. Bless me now. D flat's resolved to D to make that diminished. D diminished 7. My A flat over E flat. Say A Vior. Okay. Now from here you're gonna go to B flat diminished for the I come. I. So you got B flat in the bass, D flat, E, B flat. I goes to A flat over E again. Come. All right. Now what we're gonna do here is what we call 1 over the 5, 6, 2, 5, 1, which is a very common gospel progression. Okay, so you're gonna have come, it's gonna go to a 6, and it's gonna be an F7. So E flat, A, C in the right hand, F7 chord. It's gonna go to a B flat 7. B flat is your 2. 2, and then an E flat 7 to Z. Okay, so you're gonna have I come, B flat 7, E flat 7 to D. Okay, all right. Now, when you get to the I come to, you can do this little lick, E flat, F, A flat, to Z. And what you could do a longer lick than that, of course, but you could also do this. When you get to Z, you go to a D flat, A flat in the bass, make that D flat minor by making it an E, and then back to the A flat. Okay? All right, now let's take it from the beginning and walk you through with all the chords. So you got I need the O, I need thee. Every hour I need thee. So bless me now, my Savior. I come to thee. Okay, so then they're going to launch right into yes from this spot, and you're going to be going to an A flat chord, but just going up to here, A flat, C, E flat. Okay, so you got we say yes. All right, goes to D flat, A flat, D flat, F, D flat in the bass. We're gonna go up to a D diminished. So you can see I had a D flat chord, and then I'm gonna pop a B and the D here in the middle. Okay. Yes. All right, A flat over E flat, E diminished like we did earlier, E, G, B flat, F minor, C, F, A flat. Okay. B diminished like we did earlier. Yeah. D flat, E, B flat, E in the bass. Yes. Goes to E flat chord. Yes. And then the same lick. Yes. All right. So you got yes. 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 Okay. All right. So that is all the chords in essence for those two songs. If you are in need of help for your music ministry, coaching, or one-on-one lessons, make sure you hit up our website at scottstudio.me, and we'll be glad to sit down and chat and figure out how we can best meet your needs. Again, George here from Scott Studio. Thanks for joining me here, and I will see you in the next tutorial.
Scott Studio.